Hello guys, welcome back to this session. So in this session I will reveal my secret product that has been making me a lot of money, more than I expected, and I would also share some free tips with you all. Firstly, please make it in your mind that almost all products available online can be sold. It's just that you should know how to market them. So whenever you are looking for to select a product, make sure that you have a look at the product's landing page and affiliate page also. Before you start promoting any product, you should always know everything about the product. So if you are promoting a new product that you are not aware about, you should always watch the video sales letter yourself and get a better understanding of the product. And the better you are able to understand the product, the better you will be able to market it. And if you find the product that feels convincing to you also, and that makes you feel that you should also have this product, that would be the one product that you should promote first. So as you already know, I used to run Clickbank products on Facebook earlier because I did not know how to use Google Ads, but now I would suggest everyone to use Google Ads because I find that Google Ads are approximately 2 times profitable than Facebook ads. And the product that I'm going to reveal to you today, I have done all its sales through Google Ads. I used to get about 4 to 5% conversions on Facebook. However, in Google, I am getting about 8 to 9% of conversion rate, sometimes 10 to 12% also. And this is the only reason why I prefer Google more. Obviously, you need to check the gravity and it will in advance tell you how good the product is. And since you already know it's selling on Clickbank, you can be sure that it's going to work for you. You can see in this November launch product, this is a brand new product that has a gravity of 145. That means this is a high converting product. But change the product has since the product has initial conversion of $22, I would not promote it of the product of, because I look for products approximately $100 commission or more and would suggest you to do the same. Obviously, you will get less conversions of a high ticket product, but since the amount is big, you can be more profitable with less conversions. So on Facebook, I don't like to promote because nobody is opening Facebook to buy some products. Plus, you need to know how to convert cold audience for your product. If you want to promote using Facebook, I would suggest you should create your email list also and then remarket them using email marketing. The second thing that I don't like about Facebook is that they are always behind you and always blocking accounts. I have myself had 2 to 3 accounts blocked. Then I stopped using Facebook. You can see this product ads working. This is also a very good product. It has been in the top of the list in Clickbank for a couple of years now. Let's check their affiliate page. If anyone who is interested in woodworking can also promote this product very easily. You can see massive commissions here. We can create our affiliate links from here. Just replace the XXX with your account's nickname. Now let me show you the secret product that I was talking about. Actually, that changed my life completely. So this is the product I'm talking about. It's the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. So I have been promoting this product only on Google Ads. You can see the average commission per sale here is $662 approximately. Here you can also see my stats. You can see that I have sent 2704 hops to this product till now. You see my average earning per click or hops is $1.23. You can see very low refund rate of 2.6% only. Just with my initial sales, I have made $8,911 this month, and with my rebuild sales, I have made about $1,000 this month, and the upsells are for $894 this month. This is a very high converting product. It has about 16% of conversion rate, and I have got. Even though you can see that the gravity of this product is very low, about 18. So there are only 18 affiliates who have been able to get a one sale in the past 4 weeks. Since this is a very high ticket product, it costs about $1,000 for the customer. Hence, there are less people who are promoting this product, as you need a higher budget to promote higher ticket products. So you should always begin with a little small products, then scale up to high ticket products. And after that, there is no stopping. So this is a page of product. You have to sign up for free training first, then attend the training, and then customers purchase the product. And it has a very low refund rate also. So this was a secret product that I wanted to share. Now, if for example you have any issues in creating a high converting landing page, you can also use this alternative called Fiverr. What you can do is look for landing page creators in fiverr.com. If we write down converting landing page, we can find people who can create a sales landing page and copywriting. So this is how you look for help in case you need any. Please note, never buy traffic from any of this type of website. All the traffic that they send will be bots and there will be no conversions ever. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to share your feedback on Udemy, as it would help other people also.